Hello wonderful people, I hope you are all doing fantastic. Welcome to Schatrodev channel, where we are about to embark on a learning journey focused on Environment Query System, or in short EQS, in Unreal Engine. Our ultimate goal with this series is to guide you through the intricate details of the EQS system. No stone will be left unturned as we unravel the complexity and depth of EQS in Unreal Engine. Your journey will culminate in a profound understanding, giving you the expertise to craft sophisticated AI behaviors for your game environments. Understanding the significance of EQS in game development is like unlocking a powerful tool that can elevate your projects to new heights. Let's see why EQS is not just another feature, but game changer in the world of artificial intelligence for your games. Let's talk about the importance of EQS in game development and its applications. Responsive and adaptive AI. EQS helps with creating AI that adapts to its environment and responds dynamically to changing conditions. It's the key that makes characters more intelligent and realistic. EQS acts as a brain behind your AI, streamlining decision-making processes by allowing you to define queries and conditions that guide your character's actions with precision. Versatile query system, where you need your AI to navigate through complex terrains, find cover during combat, or locate resources in an open world. EQS provides a robust and flexible framework to handle diverse scenarios. Time and resource efficiency. Efficiency is the heartbeat of any game project. EQS not only enhances the intelligence of your AI, but also does so in a resource-efficient manner. It's designed to optimize performance, ensuring that your games run smoothly even with sophisticated AI systems. Seamless integration with behavior trees. EQS seamlessly integrates with behavior trees, allowing you to create intricate decision-making processes for your characters. This synergy enhances overall AI architecture, providing a cohesive and effective solution for game developers. Elevating player experience. Ultimately, EQS contributes to player experience, whether it's creating challenging opponents, realistic NPC behaviors, or immersive environments. EQS is a tool that bridges the gap between scripted actions and dynamic, player-driven encounters. In this series, we will not only demystify the technical aspects of EQS, but also showcase its real-world applications. By the end, you will appreciate why EQS is an indispensable asset in your game development toolkit, opening up a world of possibilities for crafting intelligent, responsive, and engaging game experiences. So what is EQS? So this is the official definition of EQS, but to simplify that, imagine EQS like smart system in Unreal Engine that helps game characters make decisions. It looks at the surroundings, asks specific questions about what it sees using customizable tests, and then figures out the best action based on the answers. It's like giving your game characters the ability to think and react intelligently to what's happening in their environment. What are the key topics that will be covered in this series? Introduction to EQS, basic concepts and terminology, creating queries, understanding query types, building and configuring queries, generators and tests, explanation of generators and tests in EQS, examples of different use cases, scoring and ranking, how to assign scores to different queries, ranking and prioritizing queries, debugging and visualization, techniques for debugging EQS, visualizing EQS results in editor, integration with behavior trees, connecting EQS with behavior trees, implementing AI behaviors based on EQS results, advanced topics, and many more things. To keep you in the loop, I will be releasing a new video in our EQS series every 10 days. This ensures we cover each topic thoroughly. Your feedback is always welcome, and I'm excited to explore EQS together. Stay tuned for fresh content, and let's master EQS. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more EQS insights. Your support means the world and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy coding, and until then, take care.